Hi, my name is Ajay Balaji. I am a HR by profession and a leadership coach. In this video, we are going to look at how we can overcome from anxiety or fear during COVID-19 situation or any other circumstances. We will start by looking at what is anxiety and the source of anxiety. Anxiety is a feeling that shows worry, nervousness, or unease about any other outcome or any situation. There are three aspects in anxiety. Number one, it begins with threat. Number two, fear. And number three, you become anxiety. Initially, every anxiety starts with a kind of something losing. Like you may be having a threat of losing something. It may be health, or it may be wealth, social status, or something else. And then we start engaging in that conversation, and that creates the fear of future. And worrying about the future, that creates anxiety. And some of us become weak. When you feel anxiety, normally there are a lot of symptoms are there in being with anxiety. Like you may have a nervousness, headache, rapid breathing, shortness of breathing, you may be sweating, and there may be some itching in your body. Now we are going to look at some of the simple process to overcome anxiety. Number one, when you are being anxiety, please do not try to overcome anxiety. Please sit in a place or lie down and just start noticing the body sensations that you have. You may be having a headache, you may be sweating, or you may be having any other body sensations related to anxiety. And when you do this process, within 5 to 10 minutes, you will become relaxed. And then, number two, start accepting the situation. This is very important aspect in this. We cannot change the situation or circumstances. Whatever happened in the past is happened. That's it. We cannot do anything about that. What we can do is in the present. In the present, we can take some actions to alter the future. Right? So, start focusing on the present. Look at what actions you can take right now to alter the future. Start focusing on what do you want in your future. Start thinking about what actions you can take right now to alter your future. This is step 2. And step 3, on daily basis, you can start doing some physical exercise and yoga and meditation. This will help you to overcome anxiety, and you can be creative on your thinking. Number 4, listen to music or songs that you like most. This will increase your mood. Number 5, spend some time in doing things that you love to do. Thank you so much. Thanks for listening to this video. If you are interested to learn more about HR leadership, you can subscribe to this channel by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you so much.